guys, I'm Alan Branch, Carolina Fitness Equipment. I'm with Taylor today. We're at our Wilmington retail outlet, and today we're going to be talking about the chalk bowl. Okay, Taylor, so the chalk bowl obviously is for what?
So for chalk, a lot of times people don't
That's
think
why they
about
call it chalk bowl.
the chalk bowl. So a lot of times people don't think about the little accessories like this when they're building a gym, whether it's a home gym or a commercial facility. But something this simple really does help the area stay clean and give a designated spot for all of your chalk. So we wanted to take a second to show you guys a couple of ways that you might use this chalk bowl.
So it's a chalk bowl. It's mainly used for chalk, but it could also be used for
Garbage. Hey, we got one.
Hey Taylor, what's up?
Hey Alan, how are you?
All right, Taylor, I'm ready for the workout. Let's get some we're out of chalk.
Sorry.
Well, guys, there you have it. The chalk bowl, much more useful if it has chalk in it. But as you can see, other ways you can take advantage of it. Guys, once again, one of the things that you might not think of, an accessory to add to your home gym or your regular gym, the chalk bowl. I'm Alan Branch, Carolina Fitness Equipment. Taylor's here with me. Guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.